Hey, what up guys? Today is my second video on Python, so I'm still excited because my second video on YouTube. So anyways, let's get started, and today will be about variables, and let's jump into it. Okay guys, so now get into a new file so that we can start doing the variables. So how we do variable is simple. So how to set a variable is really simple. So for example, I'll just do my variable. Just write your variable name, then space equals space, and then whatever you want the variable to equal, like thank you for viewing this video. And then we also gotta put quotes around this, because that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to add quotes around it, and then we can click. But the thing is that when we click F5, so F5, okay, like F5 is for run, and then make sure to save it real quick. I'm just going to save mine real quick. And you can and then like once you saved it and everything, you would say, wait, what? Nothing happened here. So the reason for this is because we didn't ask the thanks variable to do anything. Like we didn't say print it or anything. So I'll show you how to do that. So I'll show you how to print a variable. Just do print this and do not add quotes. Instead just write the variable name. And then once you run it, you can see here that it actually printed. So that's one of the things I wanted to show you in this video. So after this, go back to your file. So now now that I showed you that one part, I want to show you the next part. So if any of you guys was wondering how are you gonna print things with this thing, the thank you viewing the video with text, well then you can just write the text you want to do, and actually over here you're supposed to put F. So actually here's the purpose for F printing. And then you do this and write thanks. And then you can run it and see what happens. And then as you can see here, it worked. Thank you viewers for viewing this video. And hey viewers, thank you for viewing this video. So it worked. So now I'm going to show you another thing I want to show you. Another thing I want to show you is like how do you put like now you can like print in multiple lines with the variables. Thanks to variables, you can do this. You can do greetings, for example, equals and then 3 quotes, and then click enter, and it will save. So whatever you say here, so it will say like, see, it's green, so that means it's saving. So you can say like, hi, what's up, what you doing? Okay, and then you can end it by doing 3 more double quotes and enter, and you see now it's in black. So now you can print greetings. And then run it. So you can see here when I run it, it said, hi, what's up, what you doing? So that's another thing you can do. And yeah. So now I just want to cover like a few bugs that might come up for you. Like, for example, at some point you might put like a random number. So actually the variables cannot have spaces. So instead you might want to put underscores. So because that might give you a syntax error. And do space equals space. And then you don't actually, if you put quotes around a number, actually you're not supposed to put quotes around a number. Like this number. You're not supposed to put quotes around it. So don't put quotes around numbers. Just put quotes around letters. And then when then I'm gonna do print print a random number. Also, you gotta always make sure that you do spelling correctly, otherwise it won't work. Like, for example, you said number. I say number because I wrote number. And then you can see what happens. And what happens is that it prints. And that's good because that's another code successfully made. Okay guys, so before I go, I just have this challenge for you to do this since we finished variables and we finished printing. So I have a challenge for you to do this. Make this cake, and it doesn't have like this side part doesn't have to have this. It could be this or this. And then the middle part doesn't have to be zeros. It can be capital O's. And I just want you to attempt on this. Please let me know down in the comments if you do it. And my example will be in moment.pythonanywhere.com. Just click the challenges button because we will have more challenges in the future. And then just click the first one you see. So just want you to show you this, and just try your best. If you don't do it correctly, you can always just check the answers. And yeah, that's it for today. So today we learned all about variables. So we learned how to set variables, how to print variables, how to print variables with text, how to print numbers, and a few other errors that might pop up. And yeah, that's all for this week's video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.